Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the Streamella YouTube channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you. This channel is all about helping you become a pro at live streaming. And in this video, we're going to dive deep into a treasure trove of live streaming tips. We're talking about a whopping 55 tips, and we'll aim to cover them all in under 7 minutes. This brilliant idea actually came from one of the fans at TwitchCon, and it got us thinking. So we've been jotting down these golden nuggets on our phone ever since. Now, we'll be sharing them with you. Keep in mind that we're going to be cruising through these tips pretty quickly. So if you need more info on anything, feel free to email us. Email is in the description box below. Or join our Discord where you'll find helpful folks who can guide you. Now, let's embark on this epic journey and uncover these 100 live streaming tips. 1. Create a private test account on your streaming platform and do test streams to check your setup. 2. Keep your microphone as close to your mouth as possible to minimize background noise. 3. Use Stream Deck profiles for different applications. 4. Ensure good lighting if you're using a webcam. 5. Have water nearby to stay hydrated during your stream. 6. Implement a limite on your microphone to prevent audio distortion. 7. Plan your content and game choices before going live. 8. Study other streamers and learn from them. 9. Create clips and highlights after each stream for social media promotion. 10. Seek constructive criticism from fellow streamers. 11. Review your own streams for improvement. 12. Utilize stream markers to identify important moments. 13. Appoint regular viewers as moderators. 14. Set up a chatbot for auto-moderation and social media promotion. 15. Don't obsess over viewer statistics. Focus on improving. 16. Use scene transitions for a professional touch. 17. Monitor stream information to avoid dropped frames. 18. Add follower, subscriber, and donation alerts. 19. Start your stream with a countdown or starting soon scene. 20. Display your Twitch chat during intermissions. 21. Minimize background noise and distractions. 22. Be aware of your stream's health during broadcasting. 23. Include event tags in your stream title for discoverability. 24. Plan special events like charity streams or challenges. 25. Enable studio mode for scene editing during live broadcasts. 26. Use hotkeys for common actions like muting your mic. 27. Record your stream in MKV format for backup. 28. Create multiple profiles for different use cases. 29. Collaborate with other streamers for mutual growth. 30. Add friends' channels to your auto-host list. 31. Raid another channel when ending your stream. 32. Explore Twitch extensions for additional functionality. 33. Design emotes and badges for subscribers. 34. Add seasonal elements to your stream layout. 35. Attend conventions and meetups in the streaming community. 36. Stay engaged with viewers during your stream. 37. Use a boom arm for your microphone. 38. Apply a pop filter to reduce plosive sounds. 39. Maintain a constant stream of commentary, even with no viewers. 40. Experiment with the NVNC encoder if you have an NVIDIA GPU. 41. Test your connection to Twitch servers using the Twitch inspector. 42. Use Ethernet, not Wi-Fi, for a stable streaming connection. 43. Get some exercise before streaming to stay focused. 44. Have a stream schedule to let viewers know when to expect you. 45. Utilize tags in your stream title and game selection. 46. Incorporate branding across your social media and stream. 47. Be interactive and energetic to engage your audience. 48. Customize the appearance of your OBS layout. 49. Use a green screen for a professional look. 50. Use Streamlabs, face masks, or Snapchat lens for fun effects. 51. Don't just stream Fortnite. Choose less saturated games. 52. Stream with the mindset of long-term growth. 53. Remember, Ninja didn't become one overnight. 54. Stick to a specific game or niche for better chances of growth. 55. Keep the streaming experience fun for both you and your audience. And there you have it, folks. We've journeyed through 55 live streaming tips. If you're eager to uncover the remaining gems, make sure to subscribe to Streamella with notifications on so you won't miss out. Remember, streaming is an incredible adventure, and these tips are your compass to success. So go forth, have fun, and keep leveling up your live streaming game. Until next time, stay awesome, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace!